રેશિયોની સાઇન છે, પણ આને શું પ્રોનાઉન્સ શું કહેવાય? is to.
Is
10
to
is to 3 is to 12.
12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk.
Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. That means what? Let me clear you. It is written 10 is to 3 is to 12, right? Convert into percentage. Am I clear to you?
Yes.
So what is our first step? 10. Whatever
10
number of digits we have to add all that.
plus 3 plus 12.
Is equal to
25.
25. Very good. Chalo. So what will be our next step? 10 upon 25.
10 upon 25, 3 upon 25, 12 upon 25.
Very good. 3 upon 25 and
12 upon 25.
12 upon
25.
25. Understood?
Yes.
Every
100.
figure will be multiplied by 100. Every fraction.
Yes.
Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. Is equal to year and is equal to year and is equal to over here. Now we calculate what is the things we have to do. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So 10 fours are 40. પેલો percent કેટલા આવ્યા આપણે?
40.
40.
25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 3 fours are 12%.
12.
હવે સરે શું કીધું તું કે કેટલા પણ is to હોય, કેટલા પણ નંબર હોય, total will be what? Total will be what? 100% થતું હોય. Whatever ratio is, maybe the result will be what? 100%. તો 40 અને 12% મળી ગયા તો નીચેનું 48% જ હશે. જોજો, total will be 100% only. So
Yes.
go 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 12 fours are 48.
48.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So the ratio is what? 40% is to 12%
Is to 48%.
is to 48%.
48%.
Do you have any doubt while finding the ratio? એટલે
No,
આ રેશિયો શું થયો? ચોકમાં 40% contains calcium, 12% contains carbon,
Carbon.
and 48% contains oxygen.
Oxygen.
Is that all clear, boys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this point?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Now, second question. If in stick chalk, carbon is 3 gram. Carbon is 3 gram. Okay.
Yes.
What is the weight of the chalk stick? Now, carbon is 3 gram. Carbon માં આપણે કેટલો મળ્યો ratio? In the first question, for carbon, it was 12%. Yes or no? So can we
Yes.
continue in the second sum? Carbon ની 12% મળેલા છે આપણે. 12% કે શું છે? 3 gram છે. So can I say that 12% of it is
3 grams.
3 grams? Why? Because we don't know the actual weight of the chalk stick. So let's suppose actual weight be X gram.
Yes.
Now we have no description over here about 12%. How you got 12%? તો અહીંયા ઉપર ચોક સ્ટિકની જ વાત થઈ છે, ઇન ધ ચોક. સો આ ત્રણેય વસ્તુ ચોકમાં જ ઇન્ક્લુડ હોય છે. તો કાર્બનનો રેશિયો કેટલો હોય છે? 12% નો. વોટ વી ફાઉન્ડ હિયર 12%. યસ ઓર નો? સમજ પડે છે?
Yes.
Carbon has 12% over here. So when 12% in the chalk is carbon, what is 3 gram? It is described here. 3 gram કેના છે? 3 gram is 12%. કેના છે એ નથી ખબર. So let's suppose the actual weight will be X, right? Let's suppose am I clear to everyone? X gram.
Yes, sir.
12% of it is, can I use X is equal to 3 gram?
Yes.
So can I say that 12% will be 12 upon 100?
12 upon 100 into 300.
Into?
Into 100.
Su.
100. 3 gram.
Into 3 gram.
Yes, 3.
યો ઝાપડ દઈશ આવીને ત્યાં.
3 gram નહીં, ખાલી 3.
યો ઝાપડ મારીશ ત્યાં આવીને એમ કહું છું. 12% off. In the place of it is, I have placed X here because we don't know what is that. So in the place of it is, we have placed X here, over here. So 12 upon 100 multiplied by X. So it will be 12X upon 100 is equal to 3. Now we have to find the value of X. X at a side. This 12 upon 100 will be reciprocal. So it will be, 3 first as it is, multiply by 100 upon
100 upon 12.
12. Am I clear to everyone now?
Yes.
Side, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
3
Clear.
ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. So what is the actual weight of the chalk stick? X is equal to 25 grams.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ी? So
Yes,
actual
sir.
weight of the chalk is 25 grams. Understood, boys?
Yes.
Yes,
સર રિયાલિટીમાં એટલું બધું ન હોય પાછું.
Sum number 2 is based on sum number 1. This percentage what we get for carbon.
Yes.
Is that all clear?
Clear.
Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No.
No.
Pakku ne?
Pakku.
Pakku, Azil is present and Muhammad is present. Then who else is present? Maiz is present. Muhammad Ali is present. Sufyan, Sabbar never speak. એના તો internal જ કટ કરવાના છે, પાકી વાત છે. Sheikh Sahil is present. Sanraj is present. Yasin Kalwatar is maybe Idris Kalwatar.
Yes, sir.
કેમે Idris?
Yes, sir.
કેમ કઈ બોલતો નથી તું?
હું બહાર ગયો તો હજી આવ્યો જ તે.
એટલે મન પડે ત્યારે આવવાનું છે ક્લાસમાં? હે બેટા ઇદ્રીસ?
No.
ઉભો રે, આજે તને ફોન કરવો જ પડશે ઘરે. Anyways, chalo. All of you understood this question number 7, boys?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, we'll start with question number 8 now. Who will read this?
I did.
Number 2.
શું નંબર 2 તો કર્યો બચ્ચા આપણે નંબર 2 તો કર્યો
Yes, yes.
સુફિયાન આર યુ અવેક ઓર નોટ
Yes, sir.
ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 8 who will read Sahil
Yes, sir. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for?
we know the actual buying price આ કોઈ twist sum નથી buying price we know the loss so loss કેના ઉપર હશે buying price ઉપર હશે
Yes.
so 275 minus loss will be our selling price.
Yes.
Am I clear to everyone? Loss is what? 15%. So we have to calculate 15% of what? 15% of 275. Is that clear?
Yes.
Chalo, let us solve this sum. First, we will write what is cost price.
275.
275 rupees. Chalo. And loss we know. I'm sorry.
15%.
We know loss is equal to 15%. So can I say that 15%, so comma, 15% of 275? As simple as this.
Yes.
So can I say 15 upon 100 multiplied by 275?
275. Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Right.
चलो तो આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી લઈએ
Yes.
5 20s are 100 5 3s are 15. Is it correct?
Yes.
5 4s are 20 5 5s are 25 2 will be beside 5 so it will be again 25 so again 5 5s are 25. So what we got here 55 multiplied by 3 will be 165 upon 4.
4.
Now in rough you can do like this. Sir એમને આન્સર મૂકી દઈ છે મને આન્સર ખબર છે અહીંયા કેલ્ક્યુલેશનમાં 4 1s are 4 4 4s are 16 again 4 1s are 4 1 remaining decimal 4 2s are 8 2 remaining 4 5s are 20 so answer will be 41.25 as our 15% loss. This is not our answer, this is 15% loss. Okay, now we will take this. Now we will place here. Now
We will find selling price.
selling price. Now CP we can directly write minus loss is equal to selling price.
Yes.
So CP is how much? 275 rupees
It is 275.
minus 41.25 rupees is equal to 233.75 will be the answer. $233.75 will be the answer. Now, અહીંયા rupees લખતા ભૂલી ગયા sir. This will be calculated. Now, if we calculate here 275, આપણે calculation કરીએ 275 minus 0.25, right?
Yes.
અહીંયા decimal ની ઉપર decimal હશે અહીંયા 00 પ્લેસ કરી દઈએ. Am I clear to everyone? પેલા આપણે 10 બનાવી નાખીએ 10 બનાવીને 9 બનાવી નાખીએ then અહીંયા 10 બનેલું તો આ પણ કટ થશે this will be 4 here so now let us divide હવે કાઈ કટ નથી થતું so 10 minus 5 is 5 9 minus 2 is 7 decimal ની નીચે decimal 4 minus 1 is 3 7 minus 4 is 3 2 minus nothing so it may be 0 here so 2 minus 0 is 233.75. Is that the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let us check the answer column. Is this the correct answer, 41.25?
Yes.
Is this the correct answer what we got here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with question number 8?
No.
No, sir.
Sure बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
चलो खुदानो शुक्र. Question number 9. Question number 9.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, read.
Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Number
Okay.
eight.
Okay, number A. Read कर number A.
Principal is equal to rupees 1,200 at 12% P.
Per annual. PM means per annual. PM means per month. Understood? Per annual એટલે આખા વર્ષનું. Now, first of all, we have to find the amount. Amount નું આપણે ખબર છે, amount is equal to, we have to add principal plus interest. આપણા તમને chapter જ્યારે સમજાયું, when I was explaining at that time only, we went through in the deep conversation on this.
Yes.
That amount means what? કે જેટલા પૈસા આપણે લીધા હોય કે દીધા હોય એ તો આવે જ તે બેઝિક, પ્લસ શું આવે આપણે એની સાથે એક્સ્ટ્રા અમાઉન્ટ લેવાની કે દેવાની આવે,
Interest.
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. એ બંનેનો ટોટલ થાય એને શું કહેવાશે? amount. As we did for CP. CP means what? CP means cost price. એમાં શું આવે? તો કઈ બાઇંગ પ્રાઇસ આવે પ્લસ એડિશનલ એક્સપેન્સ આવે, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન ચાર્જ કે ઘરે મંગાવવાના
GST.
ચાર્જ કે XYZ. એ બંનેનું આપણે ટોટલ શું કરતા હતા? કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? In the same case, in the same way, amount means what? The amount, for example, if I give you 500 rupees and I will get back that 510 rupees from you, that 10 rupees will be the interest on 500, and 500 plus 10,
Right.
the actual amount what I will get is, the actual amount what I'll get is 510 rupees. So 510 rupees is the amount what we have to find. Is that clear? Is that
Yes,
clear,
sir.
boys?
Yes.
Now,
Clear.
amount find करवा माटे, we know that P plus I, amount is equal to P plus I. Now, what is the formula to find the interest? To find I, that is interest, there is only one formula, PRN upon 100. I is equal to PRN upon 100. Is that clear?
Yes.
હવે I find કરવાનું છે, P find કરવાનું છે, R find કરવાનું છે, N find કરવાનું છે. Whatever things we have to find out of these four, the formula will be used same. Formula will be same. Is that clear, boys?
Clear.
Now, what is the first equation? Principal is given 1200, rate of interest is given 12%. That means P, R is given, and number of years is given 3 years. All three things are given, so we have to find only interest. Are you getting? So P, time is given. Instead of time, we can use number of years. T ની જગ્યાએ એને use કરી શકાય. Is that clear? Now place this 1200 as a place of principal, multiplied by R is what? Rate of interest is 12%, multiplied by number of years is 3 years, upon 100. 0 got cancelled here. 12 12s are 144, multiplied by 3, 432. Now 432 is what? 432 rupees is what? શું મળ્યું? 432 rupees. કોઈને નથી ખબર?
432 rupees interest મળ્યું.
So interest મળ્યું, yes. So amount is equal to, now principal is 1200 rupees Am I right? Plus interest we
Yes.
got is 432 rupees.
Yes,
So આ
sir.
બેને એડ કરીએ તો કેટલા મળે? 1632 rupees.
1632.
So what is the amount we found on the first answer? 1632 rupees. Am I clear to everyone?
2.
So let us check. See, SI means what? Simple interest. We can write I, no problem in that. Okay. I is equal to PRN upon 100. So 1200 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3, you will get 432 as your interest. Then amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to 1200 plus 432, you will get 1632 rupees. Is that all clear, boys?
Here.
Same way, principal is 7500 at 5% and 3 years is common. So R is regular common here.
Yeah.
બરાબર ને? R common છે ને?
Yes.
So principal is given 7500 here. Rate of interest is 5% and number of year is common, that is 3 years upon 100. Yeah, I as it is 0 got cancelled here. Now calculate 75 5s are multiplied by 3. So 75 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 up 35, 375 multiplied by 3. What will be the interest? 1125 rupees.
125.
Okay. Now, what is the next? Next is amount we have to find. So amount will be principal plus interest. So principal is what? 7500 rupees
Yes.
plus 1125 rupees. Am I clear?
8,000.
625 rupees will be our amount.
Amount.
Any doubt in this?
No doubt.
See, 1125 as an interest and 8625 as our answer. Chalo, you cleared with this concept? Boys, are you cleared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, boys. So now we are in question number 10. I think I just moved out. Just a second, okay? Question number 10, page number. Okay, yes, I got it. You clear with this question number 9, Bacha Party?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, question number 10. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read?
Sir, I read.
Yes, Sanraj.
Question number 10. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years?
Now, what is the question? We know the interest. Let us write what are the things given here. Interest is given 280 rupees. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Principal is given 56,000 rupees. આપણે ઓલામાં જ લખીએ. ચલો એક મિનિટ, તમને વધારે મજા આવશે. Interest is equal to 280 rupees is given. Principal is given 56,000 rupees. And rate of interest we have to find,
Yes.
and number of years is equal to 2 years. It's given. Am I correct? Now, which formula we have to use? We have to use the same. I is equal to PRN upon 100. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, thank you. Now, in the place of 5, we will put 280 rupees is equal to P. We will place 56,000 rupees. We will remove the unit while calculating, okay? Let us remove the units. 56,000 multiply by rate of interest we have to find. So R as it is, multiply 2 years upon 100. What we did, we have only placed the value according to the numbers. Is that all clear now?
Clear. No doubt.
Now, the thing is, we do not have to change anything right here. What we have to do is, we have to find R. So R will be at a side 280 as it is. હવે જે denominator માં છે R ની E 280 સાથે multiply માં આવી જશે. And whatever things are in numerator will be going towards denominator. Is that clear?
Yes.
Am I clear to everyone?
Clear.
R will be at a side is equal to ની આ side આવી જાય તો 280 will be as it is. 100 will be 100 is in division form, so it will go towards multiplication form. And this multiplication form will come towards denominator form. So 0 0 got cancelled here, 0 0 got cancelled. This 0 got cancelled with this one. 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56. So you got 1 upon 4 as your answer. Now, if you divide 1 by 4, you will get 0.25 as your answer. So what is the percentage rate of interest? You got 0.25 percentage. What is the answer you got? 0.25 percentage.
25%, 0 point.
Is that clear what we did?
Clear.
Chalo, read question number 11, Sahil, fatafat.
Yes, sir. If Meena gives the interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annual, what the sum she has borrowed?
Okay, so interest we have 45 rupees. Am I right? Rate of interest we know that 9%. Number of year we know that 1 year. Principal we have to find. What is the sum means? Principal we don't know. So again the same formula. I is equal to PRN upon 100.
Yes,
Am I right?
right.
So in the place of 5, we will write 45 rupees is equal to P. We have to find as it is 9 as the rate of interest and number of year is 1 upon 100. Am I cleared, everyone? Now P at a side, 45 will be multiplied by 100 upon 9 and 1 will be in the denominator. 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So what is the principal we got? 5 into 100 is 500 rupees. What is the principal amount we will get? 500 rupees. So 500 rupees is the actual amount what she borrowed. Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No
Both the
doubt.
sum. So with the help of this question, we completed our exercise 8.3 and we have completed our chapter number 8 as
No
well.
screenshot.
Screenshot જોવે છે
Screenshot.
લઈ લે. Done? Very
Done.
good. Chalo, your homework is to complete this in your fair book as you are doing regularly, and you